Red shirt.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Oh yeah!
What's up, y'all? It's your girl Agent. I'm back like your brother's mother. Before you do anything, make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. And without further ado, let's get into the video. What's up, y'all? So today, as you guys can see, we're doing a spin the bottle challenge with airsoft rifles. Anyway, so I got my contestants. I got 3 of my old friends here, and yeah, you know. So let's get into the video. Niggas in the army. I don't even know if this is fair. I don't even know if this is right.
Y'all ready, yo? Y'all ready?
Why is it doing that? Like, damn. Oh, that's ridiculous. Fucking gun jam, bro. Of course it jammed on my turn. It's cool. I'm gonna get redemption. It's cool. No, it's whatever. It is what it is. You know what?
Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh. Alright. I gotta wait because you might get the gun. Wait, is that me? Yeah, that's you. Heard? I've rail picked them randomly so that way everybody will get a chance to have the gun, and then you'll have a more of a chance to actually.
Red shirt.
Oh yeah!
White shirt.
Who did you hit? Who you hit? Damon. You hit Damon?
Orange shirt.
They caught everyone. Ah! Damon got hit right in his leg.
White beater.
Oh! He needs some milk.
Black hoodie. How you feeling? Huh? How you feeling?
I'm chilling.
Gray hoodie. Light blue shirt. How you feeling, Carlos?
Tired. Very tired.
Feeling like you gonna win?
I have 1X. Can't get shot again.
I wanna make this harder.
But you know, you never know. You know what I'm saying?
Felt that. Felt that.
You know what I'm saying?
Close your eyes, guys.
I'll run yo.
Go.
Oh, sorry.
Go.
Alright, so as you guys can see, we got some new players. This is taking very long, so we're just gonna drop it. Instead of getting hit twice, we're just gonna do it where everybody gets hit once, and if they get hit once, they're gonna be out. So if you don't see them in the video anymore, that's why. Without further ado, let's get back into the video.
Go.
They pay my tuition, I don't pay. Once in a week, so they go. You guys are new to order career about it. Everybody hear about that.
Go. Wait.
Alright, so they can't, obviously they can't shoot each other, so I'm just gonna shoot at them. Whoever gets out first moves, and we're gonna see who wins. We're gonna let the chopper ring, and we're gonna let the chopper sing. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You out.
Alright, y'all, so how y'all feeling since y'all just, you know,
Niggas just ran like 8 miles.
Condition.
how you feel? Did that hurt?
It didn't hurt as bad.
Yeah.
Hit me twice.
Oh shit. Alright, Q, how you feeling to be the winner? Cause you said you ain't care if you won or not.
Still don't care.
You feel immaculate or no?
Wanted to shoot.
Heard you.
Something?
Go ahead, Carlos.
Pick these challenges where it involves the fastest nigga in the world.
That's it for the video. So you already know, if you're new to the channel, subscribe, like, comment if you like it, give me ideas for a new video, and that's it for today, folks.